What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to be making some soursop juice. So I'm gonna do this the Jamaican style, and I'm making a punch. So I won't be doing the ginger lemon method. I am actually going to make this into a nice Rastaman punch soursop juice. So I'm going to add some of our goodies in there. I'm going to sweeten this with milk and all of that goodness. So stick around and you'll see how I make the soursop punch. Very healthy, very nutritious, very delicious. So as you can see, I have a nice size soursop. I already washed it, and I am going to remove the outer layer, which is the skin of the soursop, or the peel, and then we're going to go into squeezing the soursop in some water. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, goodies. So as you can see, I peeled my soursop, and we're just gonna get the heart of the soursop out before we start squeezing this. And I'm not sure if you know where the heart is, but it's just in the middle here of the soursop. So all of this, we're gonna get this out. This is the heart. We don't want to squeeze this into our soursop. Okay, good. So as you can see, I added the water, so I'm going to start squeezing. So I'm just gonna finish squeezing this off camera, and then I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. But you just have to start, just squeeze and try to get out all of that juice out of these nice soursop, what do you call these, pulps, whatever they are. But yeah, just squeeze them out. Okay, all right, my friends. So as you can see, finish squeezing out, and this is the rest of pulp that I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this, and I'm going to re-squeeze it, not too much because I don't want it to be, you know, too watered down, but I do need to get out more out of these because nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. All right, and then we're gonna strain it, and then we're gonna add our, you know, strong up stuff in it. So let me go ahead and re-squeeze this and then strain it, and then we're gonna come back and finish up. All right. So goodies, as you can see, I strained it, and now we're going to add our goodness. Okay, all right, my goodies. So now we're going to be adding our peanut punch, Nutrimint, or sweetened milk, and a tiger malt. If you have anything else that you want to add to this, like Irish masher, so you can also add it, but I don't have that, so I just will add everything, mix it up, and then I'm going to add some spice as well. So like my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and my vanilla. All right, goodies. So add all of the goodness, and now we're just gonna spin this up, and then we're gonna taste it and see. Some people add Guinness, dragon, or like white rum. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and add that as well, but I want this to be alcohol free, so I'm not adding any of those. Okay, goodies, so as you can see, it's all mixed in and it's good and ready to go. I'm going to put this in 2 separate containers. So one of the container, I'm going to add oats. I'm going to leave it there to soak overnight, and then I'm going to blend it tomorrow. So I'm going to have that thicker, richer, you know, punchy punch, and then I'm just gonna have it as it is, like more of a drink. So 2 different version. If you want, can add the oats, and I mean, it's up to you what you like. I just need to have that soaked with the oats for my husband because he likes it with the oat milk. I don't like with the oats. I don't like it with the oats. So your preference. If you like it like that, or if your husband like it, or your wife like it like that, go ahead and add some oats and just blend it up. Okay, all right. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, And if you have not turned on your post notification bell, please do so you don't miss any of your girl uploads. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you. So goodies, I want to show you the difference. So this is without the oats, more like a drinky, and this is with the oatmeal, more thicker, and it's gonna get thicker overnight because the oats is not yet soaked. I just blended it. Okay, all right.